This is a quick overview of WorksheetMaker.net, and I've prepared a sample text document here. And as you can see, my answers are between square brackets. For the third one, I've got 2 accepted answer options. Now, per square bracket set, you can have up to 5 accepted answer options. And also note that this is a very short example, and of course you can make it about as long as you like. So I'm going to do Control A. This would be Command A on a Macintosh. And I'm going to right click and select copy. Now I'm going to go to WorksheetMaker.net and I'm going to paste this in the text box. So this is going to be my worksheet content. I'm going to title this Geography Questions. And I'm going to agree to the terms of use. Click Submit. And here I'll choose to view the file. And this generated my practice. So I'll fill it out real quick. There are 4 oceans total. Mount has the highest altitude, Mount Everest, and Canada has the most miles of shoreline. For all the correct ones, you get a green check. If you get it wrong, you get a red X. So let's fix number 5. We have 5 out of 5 points. The practice is not caps sensitive, so either Everest with a capital E will be counted as correct, or Everest with a lowercase e. And here the other option was 4 spelled out, so both of those are accepted. And you can right click here and save page as, or you can download the file. So I'll just save this to my desktop. And let me minimize here just to show you. So you might want to right click and open with your web browser. Note here that this is on my local computer and it works just as well on your computer. Pacific. Works just the same. And so the file you downloaded, you can then upload that to your web server or to your learning management system. I've tested it on Canvas and it does work on Canvas. So I hope this walkthrough has been helpful for you.